Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's again Life with LaBelle, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today's video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair, and I am going to show you how this hair came and how beautiful it is and how flawless the lace are. Yes, so I received this hair a few days ago, and I decided to go into the installation with a model for some reasons. Yes, this is my client. She came me at 8 o'clock. I have already washed her hair, braided, and I greased the scalp. I'm going in to do the ball cap method. Yeah, so basically today I'm gonna be talking with you guys like when my client came in, not basically client but my model. Yes, so she had a very pretty short hair and she told me that she don't want to braid it, and I told her, no, your hair is at a braiding length, and if I don't braid it, I don't want your wig like so thick on your head. I want it silk it down, like silk down. So I talked to her and we went about, did a shampoo, and also I blow dry her hair. She's still her hair like she was in a lot of pain, but I talked to her and like, if you want a flawless look, you have to go through all of these things. You can't leave your hair this thick because your hair is not low, your hair is longer for a braid, so I have to braid your hair. Like you see, it is so early. Like you see my face, my face is not giving. Like I just got up from bed, took my shower, and put my wig on to get this hair video going, and she was so tired. And basically she's all the way from Ohio, and she told me, where she from? Is it Ohio? No, I'm getting it wrong. It's not Ohio. She called a place near to me. Like she said, it is very freezing cold over there. I forget it. Probably I will tell you guys later in the video. Yeah, she said like she's in the military. She told me everything. Like she don't want a long hair, and preferably the hair that was sent to me from the company. It is so pretty and perfect for her liking because it is like 18-20 inch and she loves it so much. So I told her that, girl, you're gonna get this pretty on your hair. I wish I could have show you guys like the wig that was on her hair when she came in. You guys wasn't gonna like it, but anyways, this is the wig from the company. Oh my gosh, this wig is so pretty, and it have an adjustable band. It came with 3 size comb. It is 18-inch body width wig, HD lace, and the lace is so thin, pre-plucked. So I'm just going in now to tint my lace with my foundation to her skin tone. So I just go about applying the foundation on the lace, and the glue is already dry. First, second coats, I've applied 3 layers of glue before installing my lace. For security reasons, like I said, I applied 3 layers of glue before installing the wig. So I'm just going to go in by using my comb and press the lace down into the glue. Yes, this is one thing that I find difficult and I just want to share with you guys. When it comes to installing lace on your own head and that of somebody here, like doing it on a person here is so difficult for you, like basically for me. It is harder to install a wig on a person here than myself. When it comes to myself, I feel like it is so easy to deal with than a person here. Like you see me over here, I have to struggle because I don't want the thing twist. I want it to go exactly as her hairline, like how her hair shape is. So I have to be so careful and do it exactly how it is. So now I'm going about to cut the excess lace out. So when I'm cutting my lace, I don't cut it straight. I use the zigzag method because I don't want the lace hairline to just cut so straight. So I use the zigzag method in order to give it like a look, like a messy low cut. And with that cut, it looks so perfect for me, and my hair comes out so beautiful with that method. So I'm going about, like you see the lace is melt over there, the glue having it dry, so like as time goes further it's going to melt in. Yeah, so I'm just going about to grab my baby's hair and also get it mousse down, and I'm going to place it on a dryer before getting into styling.
On my mind, up past my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you
I got little things, I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say.
So this brings me at the end of today's video, and I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give a thumbs up anyways. Yeah, so bye, see you in my next video.